Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are on day 6 of Navratri makeup look series and the color is grey. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Quench Botanics clay mask and I'm going to apply this mask all over my face. So after application of this mask, I'll get rid of excess oil and it will deeply cleanse my skin. After washing off my mask, I'm going to apply the serum from Quench Botanics. So the serum will provide good nourishment to my skin and also helps to repair damaged skin. Now I'll be using this illuminating primer from Swiss Beauty and I'm going to apply this primer all over my face, and this provides a really nice glow to my skin, and the glow that this primer provides definitely looks natural. For foundation, I'm going to use this BB cream from Mars. Again, I'm applying it all over my face and then dabbing it on my skin and also applying on my neck area, and after this I'm going to blend this BB cream with help of this brush. I really like to use this BB cream because it's really light on my skin. Now I'm going to use this concealer from Sure Cosmetics and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids to conceal my eyes for eye makeup. To set my base makeup, I'm going to use this compact powder again from Sure Cosmetics and I'm gently dabbing this compact powder all over my face. Now I'm going to use this blush and highlighter. Blush is from Just Herbs and the shade is 01, and highlighter is from Sure Cosmetics and the shade is Golden Glory, and I'm going to apply it on my face. For blush, I had applied on my cheeks, and the highlighter I'm applying on my high points of my face. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty and I'm selecting this silver shade from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply this silver shade all over my eyelids like this. Now I'm going to use this Lakme Insta liner and I'm going to create a graphic eyeliner look with help of this liner, and I'm doing it very slowly to create this graphic eyeliner look. The product details will be mentioned in description box below in a given link, so do check that out. Now I'm going to apply this kajal on my lower waterline and I'm going to smoke out this kajal with help of brush and eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, and I'm going to create a smoky eyes on my lower lash line. To finish my eye makeup, I'm going to apply mascara on my both lashes, upper and lower lashes. Finally, I'm going to end this look by applying this lipstick from Sure Cosmetics. So this is the final look and I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in next video. Till then, bye, take care and thanks for watching.